night practice. They just redid a bunch of the lips and all the junk, added a couple booters, so we're gonna go out there, learn the tracking.
I'm wishing on a star to follow where you are. I'm wishing on a dream to follow what it means. Wishing on a star, follow where you are. And I wish on all the rainbows that I've seen. I wish on all the people who really dream. And I'm wishing on tomorrow playing. And I'm wishing on all the love.
So, you got your warm-up in?
Got my warm-up in. It is about 2 feet deep right now, full of rice grain, rice hole, whatever that is. Anyways, we're trying new tire pressures on the bike. I'm trying a different bar position to see if I like that. We're gonna go out and run a 15-minute moto for this next one, do some grunt work after that, and then see what the night is gonna.
We parked next to a fast guy, hoping it'll rub off on you.
He's gonna take me out. I feel it already.
When he sees you slow out there, he might.
Yeah, I'm going about 2 miles an hour. So, we just gotta speed things up quite a bit.
Yeah, that's right. Got the fast boys out here tonight.
Alright, it is now Tuesday. We got a little busy after Riverfront on Thursday night last week, so we had to ship my forks out again to my suspension guy, Brian. He's going to be getting them done. We had an understeering problem, but we think we figured it out, so he's adjusting the valving on my forks. We have a couple things in the works with a couple companies for raffles and new sponsorships, so we're going to be getting those handled, and I'm super excited for everything that I've working together. This year I'm actually going homeschooled to go full-time into Moto, and I'm going to graduate early so that way I can hopefully really do this as a job. So we're going to be working hard on everything, and if there's any companies that are watching this or anybody who knows somebody who'd be interested in sponsoring or helping me out, I'd really appreciate it if you could drop a comment or go comment or DM me on my Instagram page. That is ColtonLatka45, and I can link that in the description down below. But we're going to get my 125 washed up and do a little maintenance on that, and then see if I can figure out a problem with this SSR. It's been leaking oil, so we're going to get into that. Alright, now we washed off the underside of the bike, flipped it over, made sure all the big chunks of dirt were off. Now we hosed it down with the foam cannon, and we're just going to do this, wash it one more time, and then call it good and dry it off.
For the season that I only get to see you certain nights. 'Cause baby, you're a blue star in my eyes. They love to hate you, but to me I think you're perfectly alright. And lately I've had this feeling, okay, but I don't ever wanna jinx it. 'Cause I don't really wanna say something's telling me deep down this time is different, but it ain't. We lose it all in the first round.
Now we're giving these dirt boots a wash. We got these boots washed. The bike's all drying off. It looks fresh as ever. And we are going to be doing a little work on it. Okay, so on late notice, we're actually going to the track tomorrow. So we need to figure out how to load this thing up. What's up, brother?
That's good,
So
brother.
we're gonna wheel our little trailer that we have for the bikes up close to my shop and really just manhandle this bike on there and see how well we can get it strapped up.
I got my bike loaded last night. Didn't get to film much of it because it was a pain. But we are gonna head to E Street this morning and put in a couple motos. We're training with Adam again, which will be nice before the series starts. He's gonna help me dial in that suspension some more, and we're gonna go probably run a couple 15s and then just section work.
Alright, we're at E Street. We got a warm up in, broken the suspension. It feels great. I'm so comfortable on the bike right now. We just threw in a 5-lap moto, and now we're gonna go back out, do some more testing. I'll throw in some more clips of what we're doing, and then yeah, I'll go home, watch the bikes again and everything.
This beat came from for real. Yeah. First of all, I am not a trick little bitty bitch, but I'll boss you up. I like when she posts a picture and some shit I bought for her. Like I rock, I strolls around the globe like I'm my officer. Got your slugs, won't be front row, bring my coffee cup. Tryna make all my grace, I weigh my goods, I hold my heart on bust. You look way better with my skin, your boyfriend's a nicer. Really came from nothing, living in a hotel with my sisters and my mama. First black man to do it where I'm from, I'm like Obama. Motorcade through traffic when I'm in a tent. Yo, what's right forever, I win a piece, use all the cat. I got diamonds on, raw Air Force Ones, rings like that. She had tried to tell you I hit her biggies, hop on clip. Country boy, I got 400 bands inside of shit. On that fresh car today, don't take cardigan. Virgin Mary flowers, say I pull up fresh as hell. Everyone else got him, bitch on my sense, hold it out my head.
Alright, we made it back home from the track. I had to leave a little bit early because I was using somebody else's fork guards because we my suspension guy had forgot to throw them back on the forks, and then my trainer picked them up and didn't realize they weren't on, and then we didn't realize that till we got to the track, so we just borrowed somebody's, and then we had to leave at noon because I had to give them back. But alright, we're gonna unload these bikes. It's about 100 degrees right now. We got the little guy playing. Bikes, not too bad, not too shabby. Let's see, framed the triple on the last time I hit it, so I don't think anything's wrong with the bike, but we definitely need a refresh on the tire. Yeah, not too bad. We're gonna throw some new graphics on here in a couple weeks before the Saturday night series. Gotta throw some fork guards on this thing because we, left them with the suspension guy. All good though. We're gonna get these unloaded and Probably wash them tomorrow sometime. We did have a little wreck today. Only damage that I found is this grip, so that should be good. I just came up to a roller, pushed too hard, I think. Either that or the bike was understeering. I'm not sure, but if it was understeering, it's because when I put these forks back on, I put them too high. I need to lower them all the way down to where this is. You can't even see it because I'm a taller rider, so that might be why. But other than that, the bike's totally okay. No scratches on the graphics or nothing.